just moved to Georgia and it's literally snowing. But I'm from California. I've lived in California my entire life. So I just wanted to film my first reaction for Mems. My husband's gonna open up the blinds right now. I'm so nervous. Okay, go.
You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Bryce.
We gotta go outside.
Oh my gosh. I'm looking at snow right now. Like, I've seen snow, but I haven't, and I've been in the snow, but I haven't lived in a place where it snows. Babe, come here. Ooh. I was telling them, I've been to the snow.
Wow.
I've seen the snow, but I've never lived in a place that snows.
Never. California kids, man.
Smile.
Smile.
I need to be careful. You guys want to play?